Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this really cool idea that somebody had that could really change my travel life and everyday life forever. My friend told me about this company the other day that makes a bunch of merino wool items, and it's not just kind of the ugly hiking clothing that you can normally find in merino wool. She thought it would be a really great idea for me to travel with because I do like to pack light, and I immediately thought of all of you guys watching and learning how to pack light on this channel and thought I immediately need to buy that and wear it and review it so that everyone else can learn about this as well. It also comes with a super fun challenge that I am going to do for you guys, and hopefully I make it through, but maybe with your support I can. Let's chat about all of it. Okay, so the company is called Wool and they have a bunch of dresses and other things on their website that are all made from merino wool. As you guys know, merino wool is a really good type of fabric for performance. A lot of people wear it for hiking. A lot of people wear it for traveling because it is odor resistant and you do not have to wash it as often as you would have to wash like a cotton dress or something polyester or something else like that. So it is an absolutely amazing fabric to travel with. So this company said, why don't we make a whole bunch of dresses that women can wear for several days, several days without really having to wash or care for it, and then make their lives so much easier. So this company has about 18 dresses to choose from on their website that you can do a 100-day dress challenge with, and that's what I'm going to do. I ordered a dress from the website. It's black, it's easy, and I'm going to be wearing it for the next 100 days straight, pretty much the entire summer, and I can't wait to really get creative with it. Now you guys are probably thinking like, 100 days in the same dress? Are you serious? First of all, how boring. No. Wait till the end of the video because I am going to style it 10 different ways for you guys today, and then I'm going to start wearing it every day for the next 100 days. I figured this would be absolutely appropriate for this channel because here we do teach you to travel often and pack well. And I think any merino wool item is going to be absolutely perfect for you to learn how to travel lighter and more minimally, specifically in just a carry-on, because you know we don't like checked bags over here. Okay, so here it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. And here it is. This is the Maggie swing dress in black. It does come in 8 different colors. I chose black just because I figured with the 100-day dress challenge it was going to be the easiest option because black goes with everything. I do love a lot of the other colors, and I would absolutely order those for travel and everything else, but for the specific 100-day challenge I chose black. It does come in regular and long length. I am 5'10", but I did not get the long because I want to be able to wear it in several different ways, including bunching it up and wearing it as a shirt. So I did get it in the regular, and my size is an extra large. It comes from as little as extra small to as big as 2XL. I'm not sure if any other dresses come in anything higher than a 2XL, but I do know that you're supposed to kind of size down. I'm kind of treating it as if I'm buying a dress from Old Navy. I know that I always size down a couple of sizes when I go to that store. So we'll just open up the dress and then I'm going to put it on. And you guys are hearing the word wool and probably thinking that it's going to be heavy like a normal wool, but it's really kind of more like a jersey knit. Feels like cotton, that sort of thing, but it is merino wool. So here is the dress and let's put it on. Here I am. So the dress does retail for $128, which may seem absolutely ridiculous for a dress, and part of me kind of agrees, but if this is going to be the only dress that I wear for 100 days, then it's totally worth it, because I go on like stupid little Shein shopping sprees with horribly made clothing every month anyway, so I might as well spend $128 on one dress instead of several different items. If you guys want to watch my daily challenge for 100 days, please follow us on Instagram, and I'm going to be putting them in our story every day over on It's the Kellys on Instagram, and then I will make a story highlight of it so you guys can follow along. And I am going to be taking this dress on 2 different trips with me this summer. We are going to be going to Mexico, and then we are going to be going on a 2-week Europe trip. So stay tuned for all of that if you're going to pay attention to the 100-day dress challenge. Comment down below and let me know what color you guys would pick if you were doing the 100-day dress challenge. Would you do a sleeveless one? Would you do a long sleeve one? Would you want to do it in winter? Do you like the idea of doing it in summer? Do you think that you could do a 100-day dress challenge? Let's do it together. Let's do it together. I think it would be so much fun. Let me know if you're in. All right, Team Wool and. Woo! All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my fashion show coming right up, where I'm styling it 10 different ways. And then follow my little journey on Instagram. I will try to do video updates here every so often, and you guys can check it out. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so down below by pressing that button. We travel often and pack well here on this channel, and we want to help you do the same. All right, so this is it just by itself. I am 5'10", and it comes about 2 inches above the knee, which is a little bit short in my usual life, but like I said, I want to be able to tie it up. It does have pockets, which I know that girls are completely obsessed with. Outfit number 1, let's go. Fashion show!